There we go. There we go. We got something. Oh yeah, on the Hawg Trough. It's a pretty good sized river. Pretty wide section of it. Right here where I'm fishing. It's pretty deep where I'm at right now. We're going across the way. It shallows out and there's some grass, so we're gonna work that. And then we might go back over that way. Work the shoreline. It drops quick. There's a lot of rock. And then there's like a little creek, feeder creek, that way also that we're going to go into. I pulled some nice largemouth out of there a few years ago this time of year, so we'll try that. Like I said, we're going to start over here first, maybe work this grass, work that shoreline, and then bounce back over. All right, we got a beautiful day today, man. It is warm. I have no idea what the temp is right now. 60 something, supposed to get up to 70. Got the sun out. I've got the sun hat on, new hat I bought last year. That it's got a nice little, whatchamacallit, it's from Thunder Mist Lures. They're out of Canada, make lures and obviously the hat. Just nice sun protection. I've been in the sun a lot the last few days, so we give the skin a little break. There we go, got some grass right here. So yeah, let's start throwing and see what happens. I've got some weedless presentations. Yeah, baby. All right, all right. Yes, got some nice grass. Where you at? I'm gonna start off with this Hawg Trough. Got on a little weighted offset hook. Sweet. See what we can get out of here, man. That's all I got to say about that. Everybody, let me know. What do you think of the new hat? Does it look cool on me or what? Not really going for cool. I stopped caring about being cool a long time ago. You get to a certain age, you don't care about cool anymore. Not that I ever did, but you know what I'm saying. Oh, there we go. Oh, that was a bite. That was a bite. Something just hit that. Good sign, good sign. That's a good sign. Work this tree. There we go. There we go. We got something. Oh yeah, on the Hawg Trough. Oh, it's something nice too. It is something nice. Oh, that's a nice bass. Pretty sure we got him pegged good. Oh yeah, that's a nice largie. That is a nice largemouth bass right there. Oh, stay down. I don't want you jumping on me. Come on. Oh yeah, nice largie, nice largie. Oh god, I can't get that net. Woo-wee! That is a beautiful largemouth on the Hawg Trough. Not as big as I thought. He's still a healthy one though. These river largemouth though, man, they fight harder than your lake and pond largemouth. I think because they're dealing with current all the time. So they're just stronger swimmers. Beautiful, beautiful fish. All right, first fish of the day, man. Hopefully many more to come. That's the little feeder creek that we're gonna go hit right now. Well, in about 2 seconds, I'm gonna work a little shoreline just before that. All right. All right, we didn't get anything in this little feeder creek, so we're gonna head back out to the main river. Work that rocky shoreline. And then maybe go back to the grass, I don't know. Started off hot and now it's kind of cooled down on me. Oh, there we go. There we go. We got one. Oh my God. About time. It's been slow since that first fish. He's a small guy, but I'll take him, man. I'll take him. Get in the net, buddy. Get in the net. There we go. Little dude, man. He hit like a champ, though. On the Nico Super Ned. Little itty bitty dude. River largemouth. Boom. There he goes. Where are the smallies? So I wanted to fish this this other section of this river further upstream, just below a dam, but they had that dam opened up full bore, and the current was just ripping. It would have been too much of a struggle just trying to maintain position. It probably would have been near impossible just even trying to get up it. So I ended up coming here, and not my first choice, but is what it is. I really want to get into some smallmouth. I'm hoping we still do. We've been out here now, it's noon, so we've been out here for 2 hours. We've got 2 fish. So started off pretty quick with that first bass, and then it's been pretty slow since. I've had a couple bites, I think, a couple nibbles, but yeah, it's Charlie Mike, man. Continue mission. There we go. There we go. Finally, we got a fish. Another largie. Nothing huge. But better than nothing. We just got to get him in the boat. Get him in the boat. Come here, buddy. There we go. There we go. Third largemouth. Small guy, man, but again, better than nothing. Man, he's really light colored, isn't he? Okay. Back in, brother. Thanks for playing, brother. Again, that was on that Super Ned. We can't pull another one out of the same spot. That'd be sweet if we could. In order to catch the fish, you got to find the fish, right? Ow, I just stuck my finger. Ow, I just sound like a little baby. Ow. My poor index finger, man. I sliced it the other day with a hook. I stuck it yesterday with a hook. I just stuck it again with a hook. All this left hand index finger. Come on. Let me back up there. Stop pushing you, wind. Almost fell forward. That would be cool. That would have been cool. There we go, another one. Not big uns, but fish is a fish is a fish is a fish. Here, give me some slack, brother. There we go. What we got here? Oh yeah, nice. About the same cookie cutter size. About the same cookie cutter size, maybe a little smaller. Fatty though for his size, man. He's probably a 12-incher. He's fat. Look at that gut. Probably mama with some eggs. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, thought it was a big one at first. Kind of hit like a big one. Oh, don't tell me I'm in the prop. Okay. My buddy Matt did that yesterday. Got his line in the prop. I thought I just did that. Yeah, they're all the same cookie cutter size. Come here, buddy. Oh yeah, he's smaller than the last couple, I think. Or about the same, I don't know. Oh, there we go. Oh, ho, ho. Finally, we got a big one. First one was a decent one. Rest were kind of dinky, and now we finally got a big one. Probably the same as the first one, maybe not as big as I thought. These river largemouth, man, they always fight so much harder than largies in the lake. He's a chunky son of a gun though, man. Oh, his gill plate's all messed up. He's still alive, so get that string out of the way. Cool. Beautiful looking fish. Just wanted to get a quick weight on this guy. He's 2 pounds, 3 ounces. That's what I figured, about a 2-pounder. And that gill plate is messed up. Let's get him back in the water. Thanks for playing, brother. Okay, I think with that that 6th bass, that last bass, we're gonna call it. Not a stellar day. We've been out here for about 1:30 or almost 2 o'clock, 5 minutes to 2. So we've been out here for about 4 hours. Got I think that was the 6th bass. First bass I got was nice size, probably about that same size, about 2-poundish. Then we got a bunch of dinks. Missed one, and then we finished it with that 6th bass, another 2+ pounder. So again, not a stellar day, but hey, it's a beautiful spring day out on the water. What more can you ask for? You know, got a tug on the end of the line a few times. I'll take that. So, but as always, take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.